Well, the steam pipe fitting is finished and I've soldered it into the boiler. I added this upright piece here purely because it gives me a bit of leeway when fitting the steam pipe, so that it can basically go up and down inside there and it still fits into that, and it gives me a little bit of wiggle room, if you like, when fitting it in. That's not been soldered in yet. That's the very last thing I will do. But yeah, so it's turned out all right, actually. I'll say it doesn't really look like the original, but it will do the job, and that's what we're interested in. I've rebuilt the sight glass. That was a pain. It always is a pain. I think it was 5/32 diameter sight glass in here originally. Couldn't get any of that. Got some 4mm, which was very, very close, but I did have to slightly open out the holes in the union nuts here. But I did have some little tiny nitrile O-rings, so hopefully, with a very large amount of luck, that won't leak. Right, moving on. Well, as you can see, I've done a test fitting without the shroud, and it does go together, but once you've looked at it really closely, you can see that these end frames, particularly this one, they got bent in the destruction that was the transit packaging, shall we say. So I've this is cast iron. I don't really want to touch it, so I'm kind of stuck with the way it is. I think what I will do, and taking a tip from Kev, Mr. Factotum's workshop, I'll make a wooden base up for it, and I will put indents into the base so that I can level this whole thing up. At least then it will be, you know, more or less level, but it's not going to be straight because, like I said, this one particularly is quite badly bent. But it will go together. Yeah, fingers crossed it will be all right when it's all up together properly. In the end, I made a new turret for the safety valve. The original one that came with it, which I believe Rick, the previous owner, made for it, didn't fit very well. I wasn't quite happy with it, so I've made a new one. Again, another right pain. The thread on this, I'll take it out actually, you can have a look. It took me a while to work out what it was, but Weeden really do like to use some obscure threads. There we go, right. So that thread there, that is 11/16 UNC, which is 11/16 by 11 threads per inch. Fortunately, I was able to get a die nut, and I was actually able to manufacture one. But yes, so that was fun. Even the thread for the safety valve. Now, okay, this is not Weeden's fault because this is not a Weeden safety valve. It's a well, let's go one. Even the thread for that's 6mm by 0.75, which is again not standard. None of these threads are standard. So yeah, but the shroud, the boiler shroud, has been painted with high temperature engine paint, and it's been baked, and it's all ready to go back together. So the next stage is actually assembling it properly. So I'll get on and do that. I won't film it because it's going to be right fiddly. It's fiddly putting this thing together, basically. And with the shroud as well, it's going to be more fiddly. So yeah, I'll bring it back when I've got it all together.